view of Bangil Bay Bridge as seen from Usamis Boulevard. Bangil Bay Bridge. Across there is Tubod. Sukas. And further is Malaputan. We are at the Usamis Boulevard. This is Usamis City. This is the area where the road connecting Usamis City and highway to just visit here to buy some barbecues for our dinner. We'll be eating at Tangkub, about 30 minutes drive from here. Okay guys.